Hey, been a while since I last made a video. Been, what, like a year or something? Well, this video is about this cube right here. The nice Jperm RS3M 2020. What I genuinely consider to be my main. Even though this cube is also really good, I do like this one more. However, yeah, I don't think it's supposed to do that. Yeah, that doesn't seem right. So, I know I've technically already made a review on this cube, but never an unboxing video. So, I mean, what's a better time than me just getting my replacement cube to make a video unboxing it. Wow, this box is actually really small. Jperm logo. And that means I can finally add it to the collection of boxes. Let me know if y'all want a video on this. Yes, it is a pain to solve, it being that big, in case you're wondering. But I suppose we should just... Oh. Didn't get it quite in frame there, but... It's been a while since I last saw this logo on a cube. Because these both got their original logos wiped off. I have another Moyu stand. Like I think I already have 3 already. Not enough to make a box, but accessories. Adding to my collection of that too, I suppose. Don't ask me why I collect boxes, I don't know. But this is the main reason that anyone clicked on this video. If anyone did click on this video. Wow, that is so much more different. No, they feel the same, actually. I'll tell you what, this one is much smoother than this one. I do kind of like this a bit more, though. And that sound is just amazing. Let me know, I think my microphone is in my earbuds, so let me know which one y'all like more. Honestly, kind of the same. This is... I'm trying to get a better angle. I think that's better. Oh well. I suppose we can start breaking into with some solves. Scramble. Let's also see how rusty I've gotten. One of those only because that was a great scramble. So much better with the sticker, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna angle this up a bit more because I keep bringing it out of frame accidentally because I'm recording this in 8K and I don't let me zoom out at all. I'm not gonna lie, this not being broken at all, it's such a nice feeling. It feels nice, but it also isn't as good. This cube's also a lot tighter. Like this one, very loose. I have it incredibly loose, I'm not gonna lie. Too loose, honestly. This one's nice and tight. It's also surprisingly fast. If I do mess around with the settings at all, then I'm probably just gonna break it down in one tick, because this just feels really nice. I forgot to do Jperms for a second. Wow. I am very rusty. Well, honestly, this cube's amazing. There's not much to be said. It feels very controllable, very speedy, and like I always say in these videos, if you're starting out on cubing, this is a phenomenal pick. Like, I'd honestly say the whole Jperm bundle is a good pick. There's also something like this, if you're just trying to get into it. And I do have a video recorded for this, but I haven't edited it, and a few things happened for that, and I think I'm just gonna re-record the whole thing, so yeah, honestly expect that video kind of soon. I'm back. Yippee, I suppose. But yeah, I think I'll break this thing in some more, and like I always say, it's a great pick. Jperm did a great job picking this cube. And yeah, this thing is... Honestly, there was... If you can catch on the light, there's some defects in the plastic here, which are not on this. Oh, there's some on the orange side, but not as noticeable. So yeah, yay, I got a new main because one broke. So, don't think there's much more to be said in the video. I think that's just about gonna do it. Kind of short video, short and sweet. This cube is found on, give you one guess, speakupshop.com. Use whatever discount code you like. I recommend... Yeah, I wonder if you can guess which discount code I recommend using. Jperm. Where's the GOAT? So if you want to pick this cube up, I may leave a link in the description, if I remember to. And if there's anything else to be said about this, I will put it in when I'm editing. But that's gonna do it for now. Bye!